Hello everybody, CozyAzeroth, aka Zachary Fruhling here. Here with program number 7 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, my favorite retro programming book. When I was a kid, I used to cart this book around and pore over it for hours and hours and hours. I'm having a lot of fun typing these old programs into the Classic 99 emulator, my favorite emulator for the TI-99 4A, which is my favorite retro computer. Okay, so this is R2D2 sound effect. Of course, in the early 1980s, we're coming right off the heels of Star Wars, right? So we're going to go ahead and read the very, very brief description here, type the program into the emulator, run it, and see what we end up with. So, R2D2 sound effect. The computer does its best to emulate the cuddly little robot. Now, where's C3PO? Program listing. Okay, how long is this program? Not too long. Can we fit it on one screen? Yeah, we sure can. Okay, let's go ahead and start typing. Let's get into TI Basic. Again, I'm using the Classic 99 emulator for this. 10, call clear. 20, print. Okay, we gotta be careful of the asterisks here. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 20, print, and then 15 asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 30, print. Okay. Asterisk, space. Actually, I think, is there a space? Yeah. Robot sound. Space, asterisk, end quote. 40 is just the bottom part of the title screen. Or title, not really screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have 4 print statements in a row just to create some space. Okay, 90 is a randomize. 110, excuse me, not 110, 100. D equals integer 10 times R in D. Okay. 110, if D is less than 1, then 100. If D is less than 1, then 100. 120, F equals int 5,000 times R in D. $130 if F is less than 110, then 120. Okay, we have 140 V equals int 20 times R in D. Okay, and then we're on to line 200, call sound. And we have, I think we have DFV, which is duration, frequency, and volume. DFV. And line 210, go to 100. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like the duration is between 1 and 10, the frequency is between 1 and 5,000 hertz, and if it's less than 110, which is too low to hear, then we loop back and generate a new frequency, and the volume is between 1 and 20. So some notes are going to be loud, some are going to be soft, so some random R2D2 beeps and boops, so to speak. Okay, so, and then we loop back, so this is going to carry on ad infinitum until we end the program. So let's run it. It sounds pretty good, actually. That's cute. It's amazing what you can do with random numbers. It's not even unpleasant because it doesn't sound exactly like R2D2, but it sounds pretty good. Some frequencies are quite high, some are quite low. I'm just going to let it run for a second. See how many random melodies it comes up with that YouTube isn't going to like. Alright, let's go ahead and end it. List it out. Get a screenshot of the program here as well. Actually, let me call clear and list. Okay, let's run the program once more. You know, to me, the beeps and boops sound a little fast. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to, in the spirit of this book, because the author of this book, Len Turner, said as much, that these are the starting points for future programs, and you know, you should feel free to modify them and see what you can do. So I want to modify the duration. To me, some of those, the beeps all sound too fast. R2D2 has some longer beeps, right? So this isn't going to be perfect, but let's do D equals INT. Let's do 25 times R and D and see how that works. Maybe we'll up to 50. Run. I think it needs to be longer. I think we need to change it to 100. So 100, D equals INT 100 times R and D. To me, it still sounds a little fast. So let's change it to, let's change 500. Might be a little long. D equals INT of 500 times R and D. That doesn't sound too bad, does it? A little less coherent, but maybe mirrors the duration of R2D2's beeps and boops a little bit more. All right. Well, this will quickly grate on one's nerves, so let's end that program and list it out one more time, including our modifications. And that is R2D2 sound effect for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A, program number 7 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I carried this book around and spent hours pouring through the pages and typing in these programs when I was a kid, so I'm having a lot of fun typing these programs into the Classic 99 emulator. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Zachary Fruhling, my name, or CozyAzeroth, my handle on Twitch. for lots more Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, some retro programming. I'm actually working on a retro video game in Pico 8, lots of retro gaming and lots of modern gaming as well. Some mainly World of Warcraft is my main game, so check me out there. You can also follow me on Twitch for more live streams. Again, TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, and World of Warcraft mainly. And I appreciate any likes and subscribes and follows, especially subscribes, because these are very expensive times and I'm having a hell of a time finding a new full-time job. So doing some content creation to make ends meet, and I appreciate any likes and especially subscribe. So thank you very much in advance. I hope everyone is doing really well, and I'll be back soon, if not either in a few minutes or very soon after, for program number 8. And I'm going to be doing all 101 of these programs, so be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all of those. Take care, everyone. I'll catch everyone on the next video, program number 8. Appreciate the time. Take care.